everyone, welcome to Excel Logics. My name is Sunil Pandey and today we are going to see very important three dates formula in this video. Okay, so dates formula is very important. So today we will see three different types of dates formula. The first one is how to find out a quarter from the date and how to find out a first working day for the month and how to find out a last working day for the month. Okay, so let's start the first one. I have written over here all the 12 months, the first day of the month, 1st Jan, 1st Feb, 1st March. So we need to find out a calendar quarter as well as financial quarter. Okay, so let's start. So simply what we need to do, put the formula choose and the month. Now we'll select the date and for the quarter 1, first quarter, comma 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 comma 3 and 4 comma 4 comma 4. Okay, so we'll get a number only, but we need a Q1. So here we'll add in front of formula, we'll write Q and percent and the formula. So now we'll get Q1 Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Got it? Okay. But financial, we need to find out the financial quarter here. Financial quarter also looks similar, but if it's depend financial year. Suppose first quarter we start July, so it will July, August, September would be the first quarter. So here we'll again put the formula choose month and now here we'll change the number 3 comma 3 comma 3, then 4 comma 4 comma 4, then 2 comma 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, and here also we'll add Q and percent. Okay, so this would be the financial quarter. Okay, understood? So this is the first date formula, how to find out a quarter. Let's see the second one, how to find out a first working day for the month. Okay, so I'll put date and year would be 2021, month would be this, and here I'll put 0 for the day, and this formula will add in work day and first working day. So this is the first working day for the month, Friday, Monday, Monday, Thursday, like this. Okay, so this is the very useful formula to find out the first working day for the month. Okay, let's see the last working day for the month. And now the date 3 formula we are going to see, which is how to find out a last working day from the month. Okay, so let's see the last. If you want to find out last day for the month, you can easily put your month formula and select the date, and we stand for the same month. We'll come to know the last day for the month, but we required a last working day. Okay, Monday to Friday. In this scenario, we'll put e-date formula and select the date, comma, month, and in this we'll add this into work day and -1, means, okay, so this is the last working day formula. See, 29th Jan Friday, 26th Feb Friday, Wednesday Friday, all these are working day excluding Saturday and Sunday. And I forgot to add one more thing in first workday formula. This formula, this one is applicable working day, which is Monday to Friday. Okay, and if you want to find out another working day like Thursday to Wednesday, you can use this formula workday INTL, and here you can choose your weekday, your weekend. Okay, and you can replicate the same formula here for first working day. Okay, so I hope you understood all these three formula, how to find out calendar quarter from the month, financial quarter from the month, and how to find out first working day from the month, and how to find out a last working day from the month. Okay, all these three date formula is very important. You can use it, and if you have any query regarding this, you can email me. I will solve your query. Don't need to worry about this. Don't need to go anywhere. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great